Howdy, it's Van McCoy, Master Mixologist at Mayberry Spirits Distillery. And today we're going to make one of these cozy little toasty drinks that's great for the cold season. We're going to be calling it our Toasty Toddy, and it's using our toasted oak single malt sorghum grain whiskey. Very silky mouthfeel with a very clean finish. We're going to add some really tasty spices and sweetness to it with a little ginger and honey and all kinds of tasty things. So we're going to start out and we're going to do 2 shots, so 2 ounces of our toasted oak whiskey. So there's 1 and 2. And then we're going to add the juice of about half a lemon, depending on how you cut it. Put that right in there. Squeeze it right over the top. There we go. Alrighty. And then we're going to add about half an ounce, about half a shot of a ginger lemon simple syrup. Now we have another video to show you how to make this ginger lemon simple syrup. It's got a wonderful zing to it that adds that to any kind of a drink or any kind of foods. In any case, as I said, we're going to use about half an ounce of that ginger lemon simple syrup. And then to finish it off, we're going to add about a teaspoon or so of some fresh honey. We're using our own honey. I'm also a beekeeper, and this was a nice dark honey this year from a lot of wildflowers near the distillery. I'm going to stick that in there. We're just going to let that spin and stir. You can come back after you've warmed it up and stir it a little more to get the honey to completely dissolve in there. At this point, what you want to do is to put your glass in a microwave. That's one way to do it. You could set it in a double boiler kind of setup if you like as well. Microwave probably 30 to 40 seconds depending on how high of a heat that has, so that it's nice and toasty, probably right around 100 degrees, like you would drink a cup of tea or coffee. Once you're done, then what we usually do is take a whole slice of lemon, and we're just going to plop that right on top. Floats very nicely right in the middle. Put us a little swizzle stick in there in case we want to stir it a little bit more or drink from it. And that becomes the Mayberry Spirits Toasty Toddy with Mayberry Spirits Toasted Oak Whiskey. Cozy, toasty, wonderful seasonal drink. Cheers.